Dear students, today I'll be explaining you regarding illustration number 4 and 5, as in how to calculate profit in partnership accounts. Have a look. Ram and Shyam are partners in a firm who are sharing profits in the ratio of 3 is to 2. They have admitted Ganesh as a new partner. Okay, so Ram, who are our old partners? I'll just write in short. Old partners are Ram and Shyam, and our new partner is Ganesh. Okay, Ganesh is the new partner. Okay, after that, what has happened? Have a look. Ram surrenders. So Ram is giving, Ram's old ratio is how much? 3 by 5, and Shyam's is 2 by 5. How much Ram is giving to Ganesh? 1/4 of his share, and Shyam is giving 1/3 of his share in favor of Ganesh. You are asked to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Ram, Shyam, and Ganesh. Okay, so let us see how to calculate first the Ganesh's ratio. So how we'll write is the new partner Ganesh's, you can mention within bracket, new partners profit share. Okay, so this is what we are going to calculate. So how he is getting 1/4 of the share he is taking from Ram, that is 1/4 of 3/5, and plus he is also taking 1/3 share of 2/5 from Shyam. Okay, so in maths, 1 off means you'll multiply by 3 by 5 plus 1/3 multiply by 2 by 5. So when you do like this, what you're getting? 3 by 20. So this is the sacrificing ratio of Ram, and 2 by 15, this is the sacrificing ratio of Shyam. So further, when you take the LCM, you'll get 17 by 60. So this is our new ratio of Ganesh. See, when you take the LCM of 12 and 20 and 15, you'll get 60. How many times 60 goes in 20? 3 times, and 3 3s are 9. Plus in 15 it goes 4 times. 4 8s are 4 2s are 8. Okay, so 9 plus 8 is 17 by 60. Okay, yeah. So that is about Ganesh's new profit sharing ratio. Now let us have a look. What is Ram's new share? What will do? Old share minus the sacrificing ratio. Old share is how much? 3 is to 2. That is 3 by 5 minus, what is the sacrificing ratio of Ram we have calculated? He is giving 1/4 of his 3/5 share. So it is 3 by 20. Again LCM, we'll take 20 here. When you take the LCM of 5 and 20, you'll get 20. In 5, 20 goes 4 times. 4 3s are 12 minus 20 1s are 20, 1 3s are 3. So here you'll get the share of Ram as 9 by 20. Now have a look at Shyam's share. Shyam's new share. What is the old ratio? 2 by 5 minus his sacrificing ratio, that is 2 by 15. You take the LCM, you'll get it as 15. 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6 minus 2. 5 1s are 15, 1s are 15, 1 2s are 2. So it is 4 by 15. Now let us put all the numbers, all the shares at one place. We have 9 by 10, 4 by 15, and Ganesh's share 17 by 60. When you take the when you see here we have the maximum number as 60, we'll have to make rest denominators also as 60. So to make this 10 into 60, we have to multiply it by 6. So when we are multiplying a denominator, we'll have to multiply the numerator also with the same number. So it will become as 60, and 9 6 are 48. Likewise, 14 by 15, what should we multiply? to 15 that it becomes 64. Same number will be multiplied to the numerator also. This is simple maths, dear students. So 4 4s you will get 60, 16 and 5 4s 60. Now let us put how much is Ram's 48 by 60 is to Shyam's is 16 by 60 and Ganesh's is 17 by 60. Now that we have equalized all the denominators, we can remove the denominators and the ratios will be represented as 48 is to 16 is to 17. Okay, so this is the case, dear students, when the old partners are sacrificing a particular portion of their share to the new partner. Now case 5, have a look. If the new partner share is entirely taken from just one partner, so in that case what we'll do, we'll just minus it. Have a look. Das and Sinha are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Paul as a new partner for 1/4 share in the profits which he acquired wholly from Das. Determine the new profit sharing ratio of the partners. Have a look how they have done. New partner Paul's share is 1/4. He is taking it completely from Das. So what we'll do, we'll deduct it from Das's share. Das's share, as in the question, is given as 3 by 5. Now if you see, Sinha's share will not touch. His old ratio is 2 by 5, so new also will be the same because he hasn't given any share to the new partner Paul. So this 1/4 will be directly deducted from Das's share. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 4, when you take out the LCM, dear students, you will get LCM as 20. 5 4s are again 4 3s are 12. 4 5s are 5 1s are 5. So that is how you get 7 by 20. Okay, Sinha's old share and new share is going to remain the same, which is given in the question as 2 by 5. Now the new ratio, have a look. Just now we have calculated 7 by 20 is Das's share, Sinha as in the question, and Paul is 1 by 4, which is also given in the question. Now to equalize it, which is the bigger number, 20. So we'll make all of them 20. To make 5 into 20, you will have to multiply by 4. When you are multiplying the denominator by 4, you will have to multiply the numerator also by 4. So it will become as 8 by 20. See, you have the numerator here 8. Then to make 4 into 20, we'll have to multiply it with 5. Same numerator also will multiply. So what will get 5 by 20. Okay. So all the denominators will be removed and we'll be left with 7 is to 8 is to 5. So that will be the new profit sharing ratio.